Hi guys, I'm back with another video, and today we're going to be solving this math problem. Now let me read it to you guys. If a equals 8 to the power of 53, b equals 16 to the power of 41, and c equals 64 to the power of 27, then which of the following inequalities is true? Now go ahead and try to solve this problem yourself. Okay, I assume you've done that. Now let's do it together. So let's first compare a and c. Now, to compare numbers with exponents, you have to make their base number the same. So we can make a's base number, which is 8, and c's base number the same. So what base number do a and c have in common? 8. So we can make a's base number, 8, since it's already 8. So we can put a's number the same, since it already has a base of 8 and stuff, so we don't need to change the exponent. But for c, it equals 64 to the power of 27. Now, 64 is not 8, but how can we write 64 with 8 to the power of something? Well, 64 is actually just 8 squared, then that entire thing to the power of 27. This is equal to 64 to the power of 27. Now we can compare these. So now a will be down here. A equals 8 to the power of 53. Now what's 8 squared to the power of 27? Well, 2 times 27, this equals 8 to the power of 54. Now we have both of the a and c, their base numbers are the same. Now we just have to look at the exponents. Which number is bigger now? Well, we see we have an exponent of 53 here, but we have an exponent of 54 over here. So that means that c is bigger than a, even though we don't have to calculate the actual number. So we can write the inequality. Let's do it over here. So c is greater than a. Okay, now we have found that. Now let's compare b and c. So let me erase this. Let me get the eraser. Where's it there? We can erase all this. Okay, there. Now let's compare b, which is b equals 16 to the power of 41, and c is 64 to the power of 27. Now, to compare numbers with exponents, you have to make their bases the same. Now, which base number do 16 and 64 have in common? Well, 4. So we can write both of these as, 16 is just 4 times 4. So 4 squared. Then that times 41. Okay, now we have that equals b. Now let's do c. So c equals, 64 is 16 times 4. And we know that 16 is 4 squared. So that means 64 is 4 cubed. And that is the power of 27. There we go. Now, this can be written as b equals, this is 4 to the power of 82. Okay, so we know that. Now let's find c. So c equals 4 to the power, what's 27 times 3? 27, 3. Multiply, that equals 1, 2, that's 6. 6 plus 2 is 81. That is 81. So this is 81. Okay. Now they both have their bases the same. So now we can compare them by their exponents. we see that B has an exponent of 82, but C has an exponent of 81. That means that B is bigger than C. So let me erase the multiplication that I did right over here so that we can put our inequality over there. So B is greater than C. So now we can merge these two inequalities together. So we know that A is greater than C, is less than C, C, and we know that B is greater than C. So then C should be in the middle. So B is greater than C, and C is greater than A. That's our inequality. Let me do a circle. That's our inequality. Now let's look at the choices that we have. A, B, C, or D. And we see that the correct answer is D. Circle D. Because we have B is greater than C and C is greater than A, which is what we have. And that's the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day, and bye!